Hey folks, how everyone's doing? Today I'm going to be showing off one of the more valuable things you can do if you're an endgame content pusher. And it's actually pretty straightforward. If you hook yourself up through order resources, gold, marks of honor, whatever you're willing to cash in to pick up some Seals of Broken Fate, they are critical for pushing endgame content. So for anyone who's not aware, Seals of Broken Fate, you can check them out under the currency tab. And at any given time, you can carry a total maximum of 6. And the major benefit of them is that they give you an additional roll to pick up loot, basically. So if you're running endgame or even historic raids or dungeons, you can roll through a Seal of Fate to get an additional piece of loot. It's one of the more reliable ways. If you miss out, you'll end up with artifact power. Originally there was a lot more gold that would hit, but the game's really moved away from that the last little bit, and essentially you can't beat it. So order resources, 1,000. You can see I've got 28,000 in queue. That's cheap. There you go. Alternatively, gold, 1,000 gold. No problem there. I've got tons of gold in the bank. That brings us up to 6. Perfect. That works. And then the quest disappears. So how it works, Seals of Broken Fate, there's a maximum of 3 that you can pick up from the Archmage right here in Dalaran. Just kind of, we'll call it on the right hand side of the entrance of the Violet Hold. This is the spot to be. Take some time, drop by, check it out whenever you're trying to pick up equipment, whether it's for an upgrade or you, like me, are a little bit more of an appearance collector. So I really hope you enjoyed it. Hit me up with a like or a comment. Let me know some things that I can do better. And most importantly, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.